So first lesson, we are looking at percent. We've been looking at equivalent fractions and reducing fractions so far, and now we need to look at how that relates to percentage. So I'm going to start off with the word first, just percent. Oops. Okay, and what this word means is out of 100. So if we break that down, per is out of, and cent, is 100. So other words that include this suffix, I guess, would be like century, which is 100 years. Cents, in terms of money, you need 100 cents per dollar. And something like a centennial is a 100-year anniversary. Those are just some examples of where you'll see that. Now, if we look at fraction, okay, I'm telling you that this idea of percent is a fraction that's out of 100. So our fraction is going to look like that, and in our fraction we're going to have a numerator and a denominator, obviously. So we don't know what the numerator is now, but we know that the denominator in a percentage is always out of 100. You can always change it into out of 100. So based on our understanding of reducing fractions, or equivalent fractions, I guess, let's say that this fraction, 1 over 2, is equal to some sort of percentage. So you guys will remember that in order to figure out, we're going to times by 50 here, and whatever we do to the bottom we must do to the top, and as a result we can say that this fraction is 50 out of 100. So now we know that 50 out of 100 is equal to 1 over 2, which is also equal to 50%, because we've got 50 out of 100, which is 50%. Another way that you could look at this is something like this. Let's say we had 30 out of 100. We know that that is, well, out of 100 is percent. So we've got 30% equals 30 out of 100. And we can also reduce this to an equivalent fraction, and to its lowest terms, in fact. So if we divide by, well, common factor here is 10. So we would end up with 3 over 10. And that would be our lowest terms. There you go.